announce the passing of distinguished Senator Okechukwu Ezea, representing Enugu North Senatorial District of Enugu State and member of the Labour Party, who died on Tuesday, 18th November 2025. Mr. President, consistent with our tradition, as well as our parliamentary customs and conventions, I will be moving that we suspend all further legislative activities for the day. I also will be moving that I decided at the leadership meeting yesterday that all of us, upon adjourning this proceeding, will proceed to pay a condolence visit on the family of late Senator Okechukwu Ezea, and at a date will be agreed with the family when we'll be able to hold a valedictory session, in his memory in this hallowed chamber. But suffice now for me to just say that it is unfortunate that this death has occurred, and in view of that, we will be suspending all further legislative activities for the day. I so move, Mr. President.
Minority Leader.
The next legislative day. I so second.
2 motions have been moved by the Leader of the Senate. One is the demise of our colleague, distinguished Senator Ezea. The second is that in line with parliamentary practices worldwide, that we suspend all deliberations for today to go and pay condolence on the family. Those in support of the motion say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. However, just 2 announcements from the chair. We will proceed outside. We have buses waiting now. We'll go straight to the family to commiserate with the wife and the children and the other siblings. And then secondly, even when we are yet to hold a valedictory session, I think it's appropriate that we rise and observe 1 minute silence in his honor before we depart. So accordingly, the Senate will resume deliberations tomorrow. What date? 26th day of November 2025 at 11 a.m. prompt. But now we should observe a minute silence and then move to the vehicles. May the soul of Senator Okechukwu Ezea, representing Enugu North Senatorial District of Enugu State, SY member of the Labour Party, member of the 10th Senate, who died on Tuesday, 18th day of November 2025, rest in perfect peace.
Mike. Ça, il dépend.
No, we don't change.
Encore, il dépend.
Now, we are going for Mgbeke. Are you ready? I'm ready for Mgbeke. Not my own, somebody's there.